Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. um Happy Magical Mask Monday. Today we are going to be using the Glow facial mask, vitamin C infused. It's the last of the spring Easter masks. It's by Spa Life, and it is a sheet mask, and it says, "Here comes the sun. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps revitalize and brighten skin for a complexion that looks smooth and radiant." And as you can see, my eyes are swollen. My allergies have just been really kicking in. I was never one to get spring allergies, and I always got them in the fall. And all of a sudden now, um, I'm getting them in the spring. So I'm not sure. This is the mask. It's dripping everywhere. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but the medication that my doctor put me on, I'm not sure if I'm liking it, because once I take it, it completely snows me, and I have to be able to, get up on a moment's notice, and I can't be snowed to that extent. Because when it just knocks me out. If you hear spooky, creaky door noises and all that, it's my cat. She keeps running in and out. Hopefully the fan is not bothering you. This feels really nice, and it's kind of weird because it says vitamin C. It actually smells citrusy, if that's a word. It does have some kind of citrus, orange fruit extract. Okay, that makes sense. All right. So our oracle cards will be from Moonology, and this is June 5th. It's Monday, and this oracle reading is from this Monday till next Monday. And we're going to do the full moon in Sagittarius card, because that is the closest phase we're to. We're just coming out of a full moon, and I don't know about you all, but that was intense for me. Alright, we're also going to pull a card from the Sacred Forest deck, and that's by Denise Lynn and Sonia Croquette. Ask your guides. Alright, so I do have the fan running in the background, just to get the humidity out of the room. Do this. Alright, so you guys can see. And if you hear all kinds of noises, my cat's been acting like an ass all day. She seems to be having hostile, aggressive things going on, because there's birds everywhere, and she's an strictly indoor cat, so she gets a little angry when she can't get to the birds flying out the window. Oh, okay. We're going to, let's see, angels, spirit guides, Help me pick a card for our group for the week of June 5th. Alright. I can't read it backwards. Oh. It's the Standing Stones card, and the keyword is passage. And that is number 40. So let me open that in the book. And then we'll pull our next card, and then we'll read the meanings. That's a beautiful card. Alright, so now we're on to Ask Your Guides. Alright. We're going to shuffle these. We're going to ask our guides to guide my hand to pull the most informative card out of this deck for our channel for the week of June 5th, 2023. And let's see if we can get some guidance and insight on what the week is going to bring. Alright, so I don't know, I'm guided to go over here. Oh, okay, this is Judgment, and the key word is higher self. And the number is 46. Isn't that weird? The other one was 40. And this one's 46. Alright, so we're putting it in the book. Here we go. And get the cards back in their boxes so my cat don't knock them all over the place. I hope you guys can hear me okay. My voice is a little scratchy because the allergies. Heidi's still in bed, but she's awake. She just doesn't want to get up yet. So that's cool with me. Alright, let's start with the Moonology card. That's this deck. This is what the card looks like. It's full moon in Sagittarius. Okay. So it says, look at the bigger picture. Are you thinking too much about the details of your dilemma? Are you fretting over minutiae? I don't know what that word is. Can be counterproductive. Or perhaps you're being all talk and no action. This card is a reminder that while it's good to think things through, sometimes you need to step back and look at the bigger picture. What do you then see about your current situation? What's the most positive thought you can have about it? Now is the time to count your blessings, even if you don't yet have exactly what you want. And this card is also a reminder that we often have to take a few risks and go with uncertainty on this journey called life. Try to keep an open mind about what's for the best. The universe could surprise you. It says, take time out for a mini break or adventure. This situation may have come around because you've been distracted. Be confident without being overconfident to win the day. Have you shown that you care? If not, now is the time. Find balance between speaking your mind and saying too much. The full moon in Sagittarius is a time when we are reminded that life is an adventure and there's a big wide world to see beyond our backyard. It's about having fun and being prepared to sail into uncharted territory. It's about big ideals versus the details. No matter when you draw this card, it encourages you to look at the bigger picture. So, that's a great card. Let me show it to you one more time. All right. On to the Sacred Forest card, and we pulled Standing Stones. Okay. As you walk, you come across a large vertical stone standing in a circle in the center of the sacred forest. You know that to step inside this sacred ring is not to be undertaken lightly. It is an act of power. With solemn grace, you enter. Immediately, you feel a shift occur within you. It's as if the floodgates of your soul opened and there's a download of cosmic information occurring within you. Many believe that the standing stones are a place that allows one to embark on a spiritual journey from one realm to another. They can also mark the transition from one stage of life to another. Remember that although life changes, you are eternal. Celebrate all the transitions in life, and you'll experience profound harmony. A voyage of the heart and soul is ahead. This journey may be spiritual or physical in nature. In either case, it is a kind of a sacred pilgrimage. Have courage. A great ship can stay safe in the harbor, but that is not what great ships are made for. Be willing to unfurl your sails and set forth to open seas. The seas might be rough and the wind is strong, but you are safe and protected. The circle of stones takes you exactly where you need to go. Since the earliest days of humanity, standing stones were created as places of ceremonies and as ways to honor the divine. Archaeologists have found some that date back to 4000 BCE. Neolithic people didn't have written language, yet their art in stone circles, sometimes oval or horseshoe shaped, suggests that they had held rituals at these ceremony meeting places. The spirit of the standing stone says, a sacred journey is ahead. Deeper meaning is waiting to be discovered, and you are safe. Okay. All right. The Ask Your Guides card, and we pulled Judgment and Higher Self. All right, so the key words are precision, rationality, analysis, and discernment. It says this isn't a time to act under an imagined sense of urgency. Keep your emotions from running away with you. Turn to your higher self. Engage your power of reason and trust your inclination to step away from drama and the intensity of a moment. Study and analyze all the factors of any situation and allow your higher self to guide you to the right end. Sleep on it a night. Better yet, sleep on it for 3 nights. Then heed your higher self's message. Leave it to me for now. So, in other words, how I would take that is don't just jump into drama. If there's drama going on, don't just jump in. Take a step back for a few days. Sleep on it. Think about it before you interject. Because a lot of times, what I'm noticing when there's drama, say if it's between people, immediately they want you to choose sides. And, so if you just step back and go, nah, I'm going to step back for a while, 9 times out of 10, the two people having the drama have already made up. And it was better that you didn't say anything. So that's how I feel about this card. But it can work in any situation, anything going on and it's important. Always take a step back and sleep on it a while. All right, so that is the reading for the week of June 5th. From Monday to Monday, 2023. I mean, can you guys believe it? It's like 2020 was one long year, and now we're in 2023, and it just seems like we've been through so much in 3 years. As a country, as a world, as a people, all of it. This mask, it's already drying out, but it feels really nice on the skin. Alright, so that is my Magical Mask Monday with your Oracle reading. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.